Yun. Okay, the new Sony A7C. Ayan. New A7C Mark II. Let's do unboxing on this A7C Mark II. And again, guys, so we have the new Sony A7C Mark II. So this is the camera, guys. And let's do a quick unboxing and check the camera, the physical camera. And of course, yeah, before anything else, before we start, if you want to know more about our products here in AB World, or if you want to be updated, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So at least you'll be updated for all the videos that we will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. Yan. So without further ado, guys, let's start unbox. And so without further ado, let's start unbox this new Sony A7C Mark II. Last time we did already unbox the Sony A7C R with a similar box, guys. So this is again as A7C body. So let's unbox and yeah. So let's check the camera. Of course, first you have the uh, manual. So yan, kung hindi ka tinatamad mag-read ng manual, you go with manual, of course. Tanggalin natin to. Of course, you have your A7C Mark II strap battery, which is the FZ 100. Yan. Okay. And the camera itself. So, yan, wala na. Yun lang. So, wala siyang HDMI cables or any cables. Yan. Yeah. And the camera. So, and guys. So, this is the Sony's A7C Mark II with 33 megapixel X more R DSI sensor with shooting up to 10 frames and ISO 50 to 200 4800 S-Log 3, S-Gamma 3, and Cinestone with user loss. And it's a 3-inch 1.03 m dot vari-angle LCD touchscreen with Bion XR image processor, 10-bit full frame 4K 30p video resolution, 7 stops of body image stabilization with 2.36 dot OLED electronic viewfinder and internal mic plus inputs USB-C for streaming. So yeah, this is the new Sony A7C Mark II. And guys, there's a two colors of this. Again, the black and the silver. And yeah, I think that's it for today's vlog. And yeah, one day we have a demo unit on this camera. And yeah, let's see the quality of this new A7C Mark II and the A7C So again, guys, I think that's it for today. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of this A7C Mark II, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So yan, hanggang dito lang guys. Thank you and mabuhay. And salamat kay Harvey, yung kaninang videographer natin.